Good morning, students. Today we will study future perfect tense, and in future perfect tense already you have known the rule of first sentence. Today you will study the rule of negative sentence. Write down the rule of negative sentence. Rule. The rule of negative sentence is first of all subject is written, then according to subject will or shall is written, then not is written, then have is written, then verb third part, then object is written. This is the rule of negative sentence of future perfect tense. Example you can take. Example: he will have taken. He will not have. Will have not. He will not have taken tea. He will not have taken tea. He will not have taken tea. Negative sentence of future perfect tense. One more example you can take. I shall not have done my homework. I shall not have done my homework. These are two examples of negative sentence of future perfect tense. Now students, you will write the interrogative sentence. Rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Students, I have already told you that there are two types of interrogative sentences. First, started with helping verb, and second, started with question word. Students, let's see the first rule. When the sentence starts with helping verb. See the rule, and I have to write down the rule. Rule is, first of all, first rule is first rule. Will or shall is written, then subject is written, then have is written, then verb form is written, then object is written, then question mark is also written. This is the rule of interrogative sentence. It started with helping verb. See the example of this rule. See the example of this rule. Example of this rule is, I know. Shall we have played cricket? Shall we have played cricket? It is interrogative sentence started with helping verb. Now one more example you can take. Second example: will they have gone to Varanasi? Will they have gone to interrogative sentence, and this sentence has started with helping verb will or helping verb shall. Now students, you will write the second rule. The second rule, when the sentence starts with question word. When the sentence starts with question word. Write down rule 2. Second rule. First of all, question word, then will or shall, then subject, then verb third part, then question mark. This is the rule. For question word, one is left student here. Here have is left. Have. Then verb third part, then object, then question mark. This is the rule. First of all, question word, then will or shall, then subject, then have, then verb third part, then object, then question mark. Now students, you can take the example of this. Example exercise I am writing. Example of this rule write out. Example, when will you have, when will you have, when will you have learned a poem? When will you have learned a poem? It is interrogative sentence. We started with question word when. One more example you can take. Where they have, where will they have planted trees? Where will they have planted trees? In this way, today, present future perfect tense we have known, negative sentence and interrogative sentence both. Positive sentence we have already known. Now students, you will see future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense you will see. Future perfect continuous tense. Students, in future perfect continuous tense, two helping verbs are there. In future perfect continuous tense, two helping verbs are there. What are they? One is will have been, another is shall have been. These two helping verbs are there in future perfect continuous tense. I and we, these two subjects are followed by will have, shall have been, and other subjects are followed by will have been. And which form of the main verb is used? Students, in this tense, verb first form plus ing is used. Verb first form plus ing. In future perfect continuous tense, verb first form plus ing is used. And one thing more, for showing time when the work is started, since or for. Since or for. These two words are used for showing time. Since is used for point of time, like since morning, since started, since 2 o'clock. For is used for period of time, like for 4 hours, 2 days, for many days, for a long time, etc. You have already studied in past perfect continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. In both tenses, in both the tenses, we will study about the use of since and past. Now, students, see the rule of positive sentence. Rule of positive sentence of future perfect continuous tense. Positive sentence. Positive sentence. Rule is, first of all, subject is written, then will have or shall have written, will have or shall have written, then be, will have been or shall have been, will have been, or shall have been written, shall have been, then over first form plus ing is written, then object is written, then since are is written, then time is written. This is the rule of future perfect continuous tense positive sentence. Students, you can take the example of this rule. See the example of this rule. She will have been cooking food for 2 hours. She will have been cooking food for 2 hours. This is the positive sentence of future perfect continuous tense. Students, one more example you can take. Second example, I shall have been reading a novel. I shall have been reading a novel since morning. I shall have been reading a novel since morning. These two sentences are positive sentences of future perfect continuous tense. She will have been cooking food for 2 hours. I shall have been reading a novel since morning. In this way, students, today we have studied future perfect tense negative and interrogative rules and future perfect continuous tense positive rule. Further, I will teach in next video. Thank you.